Hi again, guys. Right now we are at Hudson Yards, and Hudson Yards is a new development in the west side of New York, in the Midtown area. It's literally in Chelsea, right next to 34th Street. It's very close to 34th Street subway station, and also it's really new development with a lot of new buildings, construction, also other structures. One of the most important structures is right behind me. They're called vessel. This vessel is about 47 meters. This vessel is about 150 feet long. They used 154 staircases to build this building, and there are about 2,500 steps in it, with about 80 different landings. Outside of the staircase, you can see is fully copper clad. The parts of this building has been assembled in section to section in Italy, in one of the town of Italy, and they brought it with some different kind of ships in 15 days, and they brought it everything, and then they assembled and they constructed everything here. It's a monumental structure. It's one of the landmark of New York. It's been opened last year in 2019, and it attracted a lot of tourists. It's one of the most important touristic destination of New York. It looks like it's gonna be one of the most important landmark of New York.
You're like a dream. You're like a waterfall floating downstream. Once again I fall.
This is how it looked like from inside of this vessel. This structure looks exactly like a honeycomb. This structure is inspired by the step well in India. It looks like pretty much similar, but in a modern way.
Spare me this feeling now.
Let's get up a little more. Alright guys, right now we are at the top of the vessel. As I said, the vessel looks like the honeycomb and inspired by the stepwell in India. It pretty much looks similar, the idea looks similar, but of course very modern structure. Right now we are in Hudson Yards, all around these buildings, this one, another one, another one. You're gonna see all these skyscrapers. They are all parts of Hudson Yards.